Hi guys, today I want to show you this locomotive I have modified. It's a Athearn SD40T-2. It's a blue box. I've done a lot of modification on it. As you can see, I have eliminated the tabs on the sides, which holds the shell on the chassis. I've installed a lot of accessories on it. In the front, I have installed the plow, MU hoses, the brake line, and also I have made these leaf bars myself. It takes about 10 minutes to make them. Also data cable holder and chain data cable plug. This SSW was already there when I bought it, so I didn't bother to paint it, so I just left it. Windshield wipers and the correct horn, beacon, and the bell, and also air vents with the shades. I have also built the interior detailed. You can see the engineer. You can't really see the interior detail. Too bad. Also the roof detail. I have built this the antenna bases myself from styrene, and the conduit, AC unit, and the eye bolts. I have installed the Canon metal dynamic brakes, and at the bottom you can see the piping, brake lines, and filter, and also gauges for the fillers for the gas tank, see-through grills, and the decaling. And also I have grooved this grill here like the prototype and installed the grab iron there, and installed all the grab bars in the back and the MU hoses. Another cool thing I've done is I have filled in all the spaces between under and above the coupler. You can see there's a big gap. The blue box locomotives, they have a big gap there. And also I have weathered it a little bit. You can see the gas drops on the gas tank, and also I have used black powder to make it look like kind of smoky, dirty. And on this side again, the piping and drain pipes and the speed recorder. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna install this chain for the brake with the spring here. I'm gonna install that later. I haven't done that now. Alright, so now the best part are the lighting. Let me show you. Also, I've installed the Soundtraxx sound decoder on it. So all the lightings are LEDs, and I've installed walkway lights, step lights, and also above the truck light. I've also installed the interior lights. You can really see it. Let me turn on the other light. That's the beacon. This is the emergency light. And also the blue lights are for it means someone is working on the locomotive. So when the locomotive goes forward, I have installed the fiber optics in the back. So when the locomotive goes forward, the rear marker the red lights come on, the markers, and when it goes backwards, the front markers come on. Alright, so let me turn on all the lights for you so it looks cool with all the lights. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe and like, and until the next video, thanks for watching.